Welcome to the St Mary's Parts Warehouse. The warehouse sits on 40,000 square metres. 30,000 of that is undercover and 10,000 square metres of yard storage. It's a large site and a 400 metre walk from the front entrance to the back corner. We hold over 160,000 unique part numbers spread across over 200,000 locations. Depending on the season, we operate up to 18 hours a day from 6 AM to midnight. We have between 100 and 130 employees depending on the time of year. These are split across 3 shifts and 4 main departments. Inbound, who are responsible for receiving and putting the product away. Outbound, who are responsible for picking, packing and dispatch. Inventory, complete inventory audits, investigating and resolving any discrepancies which arise. And quality and returns are responsible for the checking of quality of parts and coordinating returns from dealers. Another key piece in our distribution offering is our Perth warehouse. This 2,000 square metre warehouse carries over 14,000 emergency part numbers to support the dealers in Western Australia, ensuring that we have critical for function parts as close to the customer as possible.
Hi, and welcome to the inbound receiving and processing area. We receive products from numerous locations from all around the world. They come in 3 main modes. Containers from overseas. We process anywhere between 2 to 5 containers per day. Or smaller lines, LCL, loose container loads from the smaller countries. Air freight, both consolidated and express. The volumes can vary massively from day to day. Locals deliveries from all around Australia. These come in all forms of loose loads, deliveries in trucks, anywhere from 15 to 30 trucks per day. The inbound packages are then broken down. Parts are checked and validated against the inbound stickers, which reference back to the purchase orders. These parts are then staged ready for put away based on their intended locations and all types of machinery required to put away. We can put away anywhere between 1,000 and 1,500 lines per day. The velocity on how frequently a product is picked is one of the main considerations in where we locate these parts. For instance, fast-moving parts are kept towards the front of the warehouse, slower-moving products towards the back. This helps the outbounds department keep their picking and travelling time as low as possible, enabling them to be a more efficient process.